Today, I'm going to recommend you the best anime list in this video. If you enjoy this video, please do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new, then remember to turn on notification for more upcoming top 10 videos. So, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Number 6. Adachi and Shimamura. Known for skipping class on the regular, two girls' lives become intertwined when they find each other on the second floor of the gym. From there, Adachi and Shimamura's friendship slowly grows as they play ping pong and hang out. But when something happens that changes their relationship, how will they react?
But the truth is, every time I'm with him, it just makes me miss you more. Even though there's someone new, yeah, they'll never be my cure. And I know they say it helps, but I swear I was feeling better before. I guess I miss you more. I miss you more.
Number 5. Danmachi third season. Since ancient times, humans and monsters have waged bitter war against one another in the bowels of the treacherous dungeon beneath Orario. Enmity between these races is an accepted and immutable fact, or at least it was until Belcranal stumbled across a young, blue-skinned girl in the dungeon's dark depths. When this inhuman young woman speaks to him in the language of human beings and looks at him with all too human eyes, the land of Orario erupts into turmoil the likes of which it has never seen.
If I called you right now, so that I could tell you I miss you. Tell me, would you pick up if I called you right now, so that I could tell you, so that I could tell you I don't wanna be with him, I can't do it anymore.
Number 4. Science fell in love. It may seem impossible to apply scientific theory to such an intricate and complex emotion. A daring pair of quick-witted Saitama University scientists aim to take on the challenge. One day the bold and beautiful Ayame Himuro outwardly declares that she is in love with Shinya Yukamura, her fellow logical and level-headed scientist. Acknowledging his own lack of experience with romance, Yukamura questions what factors constitute love in the first place and whether he is in love with Himuro or not. Both clueless in the dealings of love, the pair begin to conduct detailed experiments on one another to test the human characteristics that indicate love and discern whether they demonstrate these traits towards each other. Number 3. Fruit Basket second season. A year has passed since Toru Honda began living in the Soma residence, and she has since created stronger relationships with its inhabitants Shigure, Kyo, and Yuki. She has also grown closer to the rest of the Soma family and has become familiar with their ancestral secret, having helped them with many of their personal issues. The closer Toru gets, however, the more she begins to realize that their secret holds a darker truth than she first presumed. Summer is approaching and Toru is invited to spend her days with the Somas, mainly Kyo and Yuki. Toru wishes for an easy-going vacation, but her close relationships with the two boys and the rest of the Somas may prove to cause trouble. As they grow more intimate, their carefree time together is hindered by older hardships and feelings from the past that begin to resurface. Number 2. Rent a girlfriend. Japan is weird. You can rent dads, mothers, children, even a girlfriend. When Kazuya's love rejects him, he is just as desperate to try the service. Good for him, the girlfriend he hires is very cute, but he wants to hide his relationship from his acquaintance. Too bad his new girlfriend goes to his university, their grandmothers are good friends, and they are neighbors. Kazuya also finds out that his new girlfriend is not as sweet as in the real life. How will their romance turn out? Number 1. My teen romantic comedy third season. Hashiman Haikagai is an apathetic high school student with narcissistic and semi-nihilistic tendencies. He firmly believes that joyful youth is nothing but a farce, and everyone who says otherwise is just lying to themselves. His life changed when he was forced to enter the volunteer service club by his teacher. As the members of the service club band together to host a school prom, Hashiman, Yukino and Yui will have to put their feelings into words and truly learn to understand each other at long last, if the service club can even stay afloat, that is.